Hey everyone, and welcome back to A Cup of Chic, or welcome if you are new. My name is Ashley and I post all things Louis Vuitton 3 times a week. So if you have not subscribed yet, then please consider doing so. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Kirigami. I really hope I'm saying that right. So if you want to see me unbox this bag, then just keep watching. So here's the bag. I've been wanting this set for so long, and my sales associate was trying to track it down for me. She finally had one come in, so here it is. I'm super excited. So in here I just have the receipt and the ribbon, because I did have to check it right away when I received it, just in case I had to ship it back or there was any flaws, but I haven't used it yet or anything like that. So here's the little box. Just open it up. It has a dust bag, just like this. So here it is, you guys. Here is what it looks like. It's just in the classic monogram, and then I love that it just looks like a simple envelope. Here's the back. The pattern just carries over. Then when you open it, it has the ballerina pink inside. There's just some cardboard so it doesn't fold. And then inside is a smaller one. It's like those Chinese nesting dolls. Here's the largest one. Then here is the medium one. Here they are side by side, so you can see the difference. And then you open this one, it has the red inside, again, more card paper. And then once again, there's one smaller one inside. So then here's the small one compared to the baby one. Let me see if I can show you them all three side by side. Can you see that baby one there? So that is the three of them. Here is the inside of the baby one. There's not a smaller one inside the baby one. And it just has this beautiful wine color. It's coming up way more fuchsia on camera than it is in real life. It's definitely more a deep wine color. There is also a set where you can have, it's almost reversible from this, so it has the colors as the outside. It doesn't have the monogram inside, but just has each individual color is the outside, and it's in the epi leather. So if you're more into that, then that is definitely an option. It would have the wine on the outside, the red on the outside, and then the ballerina pink on the outside. I personally just really was looking, I really just mainly got it for the big one. It was kind of just bonus the other two. And the reason I wanted this bag so much is I just wanted a simple clutch, an everyday clutch. I love wearing clutches, and I think they're super popular right now, actually, the much bigger ones. But this was just a perfect size for me to kind of wear every day, go with a bunch of stuff. I do have my Masters collection with Jeff Koons in the Rubens, and that's a very similar kind of style to this when it comes to like the shape of it. But I wanted something where it wasn't so bright and like statement as that one. I wanted something just simple, classic, monogram, or even the damier would have been good. And then I found this and I was so excited. So I love it. If you guys want me to do a video on like what kind of fits in each of them, I can definitely do that. So give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. But today we're just going to kind of run through all of them. I love, again, that it just looks like an envelope. I just think it's super cute. The pink inside. I'm really excited to start using it. Make sure you, again, are subscribed and have that bell notification turned on, because my next video is going to be how to style. This one in particular, these ones are a little bit too small to kind of style by themselves. But I'm definitely going to be styling this bag 3 different ways, so make sure you're subscribed and have that bell notification turned on so you don't miss that. But this is what the big one looks like. I love the red with this one. I think it is just so beautiful, and I love that they're all different. One thing I want to mention to kind of compare between the 3 bags, if you were curious, when you open this one, it's completely sealed. Like here it's sewn or glued or whatever, yeah, sewn. And so nothing, no change or anything will fall out of that. But then the other 2 are not, they're just folded. So this part is open. So just be careful. I mean, I really don't think anything would fall out, maybe a bobby pin. It's pretty good, but I just wanted to point that out in case anyone was curious. Same with this little one. It is just open, so it almost looks like you could just undo this button and it would all be like one big piece, which I think is really cool that they just kind of took one big piece of material and then folded it into this. So I just wanted to quickly mention that these two aren't totally sealed up opposed to this one, because I think this one's more so to be like carried as its own bag if you wanted to, so you don't want anything to fall out, but these two are definitely more in bags. Small leather goods. So the hardware is super beautiful. I love that it's just a simple little snap. Like I said, I didn't want anything going on. I didn't need it to be a zipper. I didn't need a pocket. I just wanted a simple, super simple little clutch that you can either bring on the airplane, or you could wear it to an event. You could wear it to day. You could store things in it. You could use it as your purse. I just really love how versatile this piece is, and I think it's something that I will get a ton of use out of in so many different ways. I mean, all of them really, but this one was the main reason. Like if this just came by itself, I would have just bought it by itself, but it's just kind of bonus that it came with these little guys. So yeah, if you have any specific questions about this set, then definitely leave them in the comments below. Also, let me know if you want me to do a review on this once I've used it a little bit, see kind of what fits in each and what doesn't, just so in case you're curious. But yeah, make sure again you're subscribed and give this video a thumbs up so I know that you want me to do more unboxings like this one. And yeah, short and sweet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!